Welcome back, plant lovers. In our last video, we covered the basics of fruits. Today, we are diving deeper into the amazing diversity of fruit types, exploring dehiscent, indehiscent, schizocarpic, succulent, aggregate, and composite fruits. Get ready for a wild ride through the world of seed-bearing structures. Let's start with dehiscent fruits, also known as capsular fruits. These fruits split open when mature, releasing their seeds. First up, the legume or pod. This fruit develops from a single ovary and splits along two seams. Think peas, beans, and gram. Next, the follicle. Similar to a legume, but it splits along only one seam. Examples include larkspur and calotropis. Now, the silique. This unique fruit, characteristic of the mustard family, has a false septum and splits from the bottom up. And its shorter cousin, the silicula, like shepherd's purse, is almost as wide as it is long. Finally, the capsule, a diverse group that opens in various ways, like porous dehiscence in poppies, loculicidal in cotton, or septicidal in aristolochia. Now, let's move on to indehiscent or acinial fruits. These fruits don't split open, the seeds stay inside. The achene, like in clematis, is a dry, single-seeded fruit where the pericarp doesn't fuse with the seed coat. The caryopsis, found in grasses like wheat and rice, has its pericarp fused with the seed coat. The cypsela, like in dandelions, has a persistent hairy calyx called a pappus. The nut, like a cashew, has a hard, stony pericarp. And the samara, like in maple trees, has wing-like pericarps for wind dispersal. Next, schizocarpic or splitting fruits. These dry fruits split into one-seeded segments. The lumentum is a segmented legume. The cremocarp, characteristic of the carrot family, splits into two mericarps. The regma, like in castor, splits into cocci. The carcerulus, like in malava, splits into single-seeded mericarps. And the double samara, like in maple, splits into two winged segments. Now, let's get juicy with succulent or fleshy fruits. The drupe, like a mango, has a stony endocarp. The berry, like a tomato, has a fleshy mesocarp. The pepo, like a watermelon, has a hard rind. The hesperidium, like an orange, has a leathery rind and juicy hairs. The balosta, like a pomegranate, has a tough rind and fleshy testa. The amphizarca, like a wood apple, has a hard epicarp and fleshy interior. And the pome, like an apple, is a false fruit with a fleshy thalamus. Next, aggregate fruits. These are clusters of fruitlets from a single flower. We have eterios of follicles, achenes, berries, and drupes. Think raspberries and strawberries. Finally, composite or multiple fruits. These develop from an entire inflorescence. The cyconus, like a fig, has a fleshy receptacle. And the sorosis, like a pineapple, is a fusion of multiple flowers. Wow, what an incredible array of fruits! Each type plays a vital role in seed dispersal and plant reproduction. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments which fruit type surprised you the most.